Making quick and easy chocolate chip cookies in an air fryer. First I want to chop my chocolate. I've got 80 grams of dark chocolate. Can be used milk chocolate, white chocolate, chocolate with nuts. In a bowl, I will mix together 90 grams of butter, soft butter, ,90 grams of sugar. I will beat with electric mixer. Don't need to beat until it's light and fluffy. Just combine everything together. One egg, teaspoon of vanilla extract, ,190 grams of plain flour, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of salt. Distributing baking soda and baking powder into flour. And all flour goes in at once. And chocolate going in. Mixture will go in the fridge for half an hour, 30-40 minutes. I will cover with clean wrap. Dough been in the fridge for 40 minutes. First I want to brush bottom of my tray with oil. Tablespoon will make size of cookies tablespoon roughly. Flatten down. I can fit only 4 cookies at a time. They go in the air fryer, 180 degrees Celsius. Chocolate chip cookies been in air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. They are nice, crispy. At the moment they are very fragile, very soft. I need to transfer them on a cooling rack. There we go. There we go. I will carry on and I will see you later. I brushed with oil bottom of air fryer again, and second batch going in. There we go. Going in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Second lot. Smells very good. Now they must cool down and we will try. Let's try one. Nice and soft, chocolatey. Let's see how it tastes. Absolutely divine. Enough sugar, enough chocolate. I used dark chocolate. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Crispy outside, soft and chewy, gooey inside. Absolutely recommend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like, don't forget to subscribe.